This is Motorola Moto G23, and today I'm going to demonstrate if you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, you will need to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store. At the search bar, type in the Opera query. Once any tab is found, click on this green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the app. In here at the start, tap on the blue continue button. Then choose if you would like to enable notifications for Opera, or you can skip this step if you do not want to. The same applies for setting Opera as your default browser app. And in here at the final page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.